What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another one. This time I got the Nike Air Vapormax Plus University Red colorway. Well, I call them the USA joints. These released last month, I want to say. Yeah, they released last month. Um, Heat, Heat. Like I said in other videos, I only purchase Heat, but these are, man, I don't know. The fade they have on these air pockets at the bottom, um, everything about this shoe, the vibrancy, the build, the build quality on this particular sneaker is a little bit better if you ask me, and I think it's because of this USA colorway. Now I'm gonna say I'm not trying to say like Nike don't have great build quality, but I just feel like it's a little bit better on this particular shoe. Now sizing wise, pretty true to size. It's a running shoe, so it's made to fit snug. Um, I don't have any problems in that compartment. I got my correct size, everything, all is well with that. I mean, I haven't like worn this shoe out yet, but I don't feel like I'm gonna have any issues with comfort after like extended hours of wear. This shoe is definitely a head turner. You will draw attention. You will get compliments. I'm telling you now. I was getting them alone just trying them on. But my favorite part of the shoe is the outsole. I love it. I love the effort they put into this. Like, this fade is perfect. It's just perfect. I don't even have nothing else to say about that. But yeah, man, that was my quick review and my thoughts. This is the Air Vapor Max Plus in the University Red, the USA colorway. Hope y'all enjoyed, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna jump into this on foot and let y'all go. Peace.
But fuck it, shit never matters. Nigga have a lot on their mind, lot on their plate. Niggas still gotta get it. Stack it, flip it, spin it.
Some of the good things that we can do. PSA. Let me start shooting the fucking commercials. Yeah. Yeah.